What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, up almost 18% on the day, approaching a $20 billion market cap. If you've made any money on Shiba Inu token or love this cryptocurrency and community, make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We just broke 100,000 subscribers, so thank you all so much. And without further ado, let's get right into why Robinhood needs to list Shiba Inu token. Guys, Shiba Inu continues to break all expectations, literally breaking algorithms left and right. We are on global news. CNN talked about us today. Look what else. Bloomberg came out with an article saying another angle to Robinhood's crypto trading activity decline is the massive demand for retail traders for the company to list Shiba Inu coin. It hasn't. Folks, the pressure is on for Robinhood. The pressure is truly on for Robinhood. And again, we could dive into this article, but there are so many other articles that are coming out saying the exact same thing, folks. And I'm going to talk about their earnings report, but before I do so, a couple links in the description. Patreon. We're growing a community of investors. There's over 360 people already who joined. So if you want to get in on the plays as soon as I do, make sure you guys check out that link for Patreon. It's something that I want to continue to grow and, continue to help and grow our community here on the channel. So, real quick, the most recent play that we all got into was Inuyasha Token. They're making an incubator system to basically, again, they're creating a launchpad, allowing crypto projects funding early in their early stages where they need funding, $20,000 to $50,000 potentially that they'll be funding for crypto projects to help them grow. So make sure you guys at least look into these kind of things. We've already 10x'd from our initial investment. But to me, this is one of those 100x opportunities. So I could see it easily going to a 200 million, potentially all the way to a $500 million market cap easily. Do your research, do your due diligence, say that 3 times quick, and make sure, again, you guys always understand that I am not a financial advisor, but I'm always trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. In this bull market, it's our time to shine. Really, it really is. So let's go ahead and dive in to the things about Shiba Inu token. So Robinhood's crypto boom collapses with rivals crowding into the market. The difference in Robinhood's markets, the crypto trading revenue between the second and the third quarters is staggering. Crypto revenue totaled $233 million in the second quarter and $51 million in the third. There are so many options for buying and selling crypto now. Even payment companies like Venmo are jumping in. The market for crypto wallets is saturated yet growing. A wallet could make Robinhood a one-stop shop for retail investors who want to dabble in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Another angle to Robinhood's crypto trading decline or activity decline is the massive demand from retail traders for the company to list Shiba Inu coin and its platform. It hasn't. According to its last filing, 64% of crypto revenue came from Dogecoin. So as Dogecoin's hype came down and Shiba Inu has exponentially risen, we have seen success for some of these other brokerages. You guys know I work with Webull. Check out the link in the description if you want to get your 2 free stocks. They listed Shib very early on. And what else? Coinbase, Binance, all the main exchanges are doing it. Robinhood is a laggard. Yes, they need us way more than we need them. But if you guys saw the third quarter earnings report for Robinhood, honestly, it was shocking. Third quarter transaction-based revenue totaled $267 million, with only $51 million coming from crypto trading. Revenue from the crypto trading totaled $233 million in the second quarter, guys. Robinhood said that bearing any change in the market environment, the headwinds that dragged down the last quarter will persist into the end of the year. Their earnings reports were below expectation. And again, folks, this is exactly why Robinhood needs to list Shiba Inu. I know we have been talking about it on the channel time and time again, but there's some obvious things that they need to start paying attention to. You need to pay attention to what the retail investor wants. You can't only list stocks and tokens that you prefer to list. That's not the thing that you got to do. You got to look at where are trends, where's the excitement, where are the communities at. For Shiba Inu, we have the number 1 community, no questions asked, number 1 community in the crypto market, period. With over 750,000 investors that are currently holding Shiba Inu token. I think we actually just recently broke 780,000. And you guys know I've been one of the early guys that has been holding this token and refuses to sell. It's just simple as that. For me, this is one of those things that I want to hold till 2025, 2030, and so on and so forth. But the potential for this crypto asset is amazing. So folks, make sure you always pay attention to what's going on in the market, because overall, Shiba Inu has been, on a continued rally and surge. We've surpassed all-time highs and all expectations, and we continue to do so. Nobody would have ever thought that Shib would be a top 11 crypto asset. Remember when I was talking about this on the channel when it was ranked 60th by market cap at a $2 billion valuation, $1.8 billion valuation? Now we're sitting at 19 billion, folks. USDC is about to get overtaken. Dogecoin is going to get overtaken. Polkadot is going to get overtaken. XRP, dare I say, is going to get overtaken. We're going to be in the top 5, top 6 crypto assets very, very soon. So either, again, you join the community, you join the army, and you do your research to identify whether or not this is an investment opportunity for you. But you can also make the decision to leave it be and also come back and look at it just like some of the people who said, man, if only I invested $1 into Doge, if only I put in $100. I've heard those stories time and time again. Even my close friends who tell me, Ahmed, I wish I could go back and invest into Shib when you made your first video about it. And I told them, all I can do is put you on the plays that I'm in. That's the only thing that I could ever do. And then you make the final decision for yourself. So again, everybody who has been joining me on my platform and this community, especially the Patreon group, I want to say congratulations. Really, I know people who have been messaging me telling me, Ahmed, my life has changed forever. And that's the kind of thing that I love to hear. And this is why I am so excited for where the market heads for the rest of the year and going into 2022. This is literally when preparation meets opportunity. We have to take advantage. We cannot let opportunities pass us up. So please continue to keep your eyes on the market. Consider joining the community. Go on the different social media platforms. You guys can find me pretty much anywhere. And I'm going to be as vocal as I can. I'm going to be as vocal as possible, especially when opportunities present themselves. I'm going to make sure that everybody gets to at least hear about them from my perspective and share my 2 cents. So again, my focus right now is looking at the smaller micro cap tokens that have that 100, 200, 300, 400, 500x potential. Because yes, it's fun to look into Solana. That might have a 10, 15% green day, which is great. But why not look at something that has that 7, 8, 900% potential overnight? Why not? So always remember that. I'm going to keep saying why not. So again, folks, the most recent Inuyasha, congratulations on your 10x. This was the first 10x that we presented on the channel. That's actually not true. Saitama was the first 10x that we presented on the channel. And Shib, almost there. But then Saitama now has, since we talked about it initially, guys, we have made an 80x return on our investment. 80x, that's an 8,000% increase. So again, the chart is looking healthy. I'm super excited. I'm in communication with the development team. I really like them. And honestly, we'll see where it goes, guys. But right now, at 1,900 holders, this is still a baby. I don't mean to talk about it so much, but I'm so excited for what they have because their incubator system that they're creating to allow new NFT projects to launch, it's just so innovative. It really is. So make sure you do your research. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.